Hi, my name is Cassie, and this is Fridge Face. Fridge Face was my Q2 project while at Galvanize. So we're just going to kind of look around and see how it works. So we're going to get started. Now, Fridge Face was created to be a inventory management system for communal fridges. So we're going to say my name is Jane Smith with jane.smith@gmail.com. Password. Perfect. And we should be all set. It says we're successful at creating an account. We're not going to save that now. So once you log in or register, you are redirected to this fridge home page. And this has our lovely animated face. Right below it is our announcements, which are continuously looping through. And then below that is our fridge contents. A lot of it is expired from December, but we've got one that was created recently. So what we're going to do is we are going to add to that, and we're going to add a new thing. So our email is Jane Smith, and we're going to select a file from our downloads. Let's see if we can find something. Oh, here we'll say that we've got some milk. So then that image populates, and milk is kind of a community item, so we'll put it as community. And milk is probably good for 5 days after you buy it, so milk for coffee. And we're going to submit our new item. So our new item populates at the bottom, and it says milk for new coffee. You can see its community by the little tag down here. You can see its expiration date there. And you can see that when we scroll down, we begin to have this secondary navigation where you can add an item. You can sort all of this by users. So we can say, oh, Jane Smith, that's us. Yeah, we did post that milk. And then we can also do it by personal food and see whose personal food is in the fridge, or what community food, so what's game to eat and what's free, and what event food is in the fridge. Another thing is that we can go back to all foods and we can look at it and say, Teddy's lunch, that looks a little gross after being, expired since last year. And so we're going to delete that, and that will delete that one and update our page so that we are all up to date with what we have in our fridge. Now we can also come over here as a user and click on the settings button and see our name, our email, and our user ID. That's a little bit more intricate in the admin panel. So speaking of, let's go to our admin panel. So this is my admin user account, and as you can see, not a whole lot has changed. The only things that are noticeably different are this new button, and when clicked on the settings button, it takes us to this fridge history instead of our user information, and it shows us that we've got, Jane Smith with one item in the fridge. And everything else populates and shows the same. And then the other difference is that we've got all these announcements here that are rotating through. So if we want to add an announcement or change an announcement, we would come here and we would say, I posted something and my Tupperware is missing. We can say, missing Tupperware found. Thanks for helping me find my Tupperware. We'll submit that, and then we can go back to the home page and see that after it loops through a couple times, thanks for helping me find my Tupperware. We can see who said it and what the actual thing is. But we can also come here and we can say that the fridge isn't missing its Tupperware. So we'll just delete that one, and then we'll only have 4 announcements to be rotating through. And that is fridge face. Thanks.